Our universe is vast. It's filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. But what if I told you that our universe, as mind-bogglingly huge as it is, might just be one of many? What if there exists a reality beyond our comprehension? A realm where countless universes coexist, each with its own unique set of laws and possibilities? This is the mind-bending concept of the multiverse, a notion that has captivated scientists, philosophers, and science fiction enthusiasts alike. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe is not alone, that it is but one bubble in a cosmic bubble bath of universes. These universes, often referred to as parallel universes or alternate realities, may have different physical constants, different dimensions, and even different versions of ourselves. Imagine a reality where gravity works in reverse or time flows backward. The possibilities, as they say, are truly infinite. But how did this idea of a multiverse even come about? The seeds of the multiverse theory were sown in the fields of theoretical physics, particularly in areas like quantum mechanics and string theory. These branches of physics, while incredibly complex, offer tantalizing hints that there might be more to reality than meets the eye. The multiverse is not just a whimsical idea, it's a serious contender for explaining some of the deepest mysteries of our universe. It's a concept that stretches our imagination to its limits and forces us to confront the possibility that our reality, vast as it may seem, is just a tiny drop in an ocean of cosmic possibilities. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just our familiar Milky Way but countless other galaxies, each representing a different universe. Some might be filled with stars and planets like our own, while others might be stranger than we can imagine, governed by laws of physics that defy our current understanding. The idea of a multiverse arises from several different areas of theoretical physics. For instance, quantum mechanics, the study of the very small, suggests that at the subatomic level, particles exist in a fuzzy state of probability, occupying multiple states simultaneously. This concept, known as superposition, has led some physicists to theorize that every quantum measurement, every random event, could cause reality to branch off into multiple possibilities, each unfolding in a separate universe. String theory, another mind-bending branch of physics, also hints at the multiverse. String theory proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles but tiny, vibrating strings. These strings can vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to the different particles and forces we observe. But here's the kicker: string theory requires extra dimensions to work, dimensions beyond the familiar 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension that we experience. Some physicists believe that these extra dimensions could hold other universes, separate from our own, but potentially interacting with it in subtle ways. The concept of a multiverse, though still highly speculative, has profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. It challenges us to think beyond our limited perspective and to embrace the possibility that our universe is just one chapter in a much grander cosmic narrative. Think of a gigantic cosmic bubble bath. Each bubble is a universe, unique and independent. Some bubbles might be small and short-lived, while others could be vast and ancient. There might be an infinite variety of bubbles, each with its own set of rules. That's the multiverse in a nutshell. Or, picture a giant cosmic jukebox with each button representing a different universe. Hit a button and boom, you're transported to a universe where gravity is weak and everyone bounces around like astronauts on the moon. Another button might take you to a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct, or where the sky is green and cats rule the world. These are, of course, simplified analogies, but they help us grasp the sheer scale and strangeness of the multiverse. It's a realm where the impossible becomes possible, where the limitations of our universe fade away, replaced by an endless tapestry of possibilities. The multiverse is not just a playground for our imaginations, it's a concept with real scientific grounding, emerging from some of the most complex and compelling theories in physics. Whether we can ever prove its existence is another question, but the very thought of it is enough to ignite our sense of wonder and send our minds on a journey through the vast unknown. Some scientists believe that we might be able to detect the presence of other universes indirectly. Imagine 2 bubbles in our cosmic bubble bath bumping into each other. This collision, they say, could leave an imprint on the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. Finding such an imprint would be like finding a message in a bottle, a tantalizing clue, that we are not alone in the multiverse. One of the most intriguing pieces of evidence comes from the study of the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation, a faint echo of the Big Bang, provides a snapshot of the early universe. Scientists have observed some strange anomalies in this radiation, patterns that don't quite fit with our current understanding of the universe's evolution. Some have speculated that these anomalies could be the result of collisions with other universes in the distant past, leaving behind subtle scars on the fabric of our own cosmos. Another piece of the puzzle comes from the observation that our universe seems to be fine-tuned for life. The fundamental constants of nature, such as the strength of gravity and the mass of the electron, seem to be perfectly calibrated to allow for the formation of stars, galaxies, and ultimately, life as we know it. Some physicists argue that this fine-tuning is not a coincidence, but rather a sign that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse, each with slightly different physical constants. In this view, we simply happen to live in a universe where the conditions are right for our existence. While the evidence for the multiverse remains circumstantial, the search for more concrete proof continues. Scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding, developing new technologies and telescopes that will allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos and unravel its most profound mysteries. Section 5. A Multiverse View. Now let's get personal. What does the multiverse mean for you? Here's a mind-blowing thought. If there are infinite universes, there might be infinite versions of you out there. Think about all the choices you've made in your life. Every decision, every fork in the road could have led to a different outcome, a different you. In the multiverse, perhaps all those other paths were taken, creating a multitude of parallel selves, each living out a different version of your life. Imagine a universe where you made that risky investment that paid off handsomely, or where you finally worked up the courage to ask out your high school crush. On the other hand, there might be universes where your biggest fears came true, where that unfortunate lottery ticket turned out to be a dud. It's a dizzying thought, to be sure, but also strangely liberating. If the multiverse is real, then every possible version of you exists somewhere out there, living out every possible permutation of your life. It's a reminder that our lives, however insignificant they may seem in the grand scheme of things, are filled with infinite possibilities. Section 6. The Quantum Realm and You. The idea of multiple yous might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it has roots in the strange world of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that governs the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. It's a world where things aren't so clear-cut, where particles can be in multiple states at once, and where the act of observation can influence the outcome of an event. One of the key concepts in quantum mechanics is superposition, the idea that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is observed. This means that a single particle can be in two places at once, or spinning in opposite directions at the same time. It's only when we try to measure the particle's position or spin that it chooses a definite state. Now, how does this relate to the multiverse? Some physicists believe that the act of observation or measurement doesn't just force the particle to choose a state, but it actually splits the universe into multiple copies, one for each possible outcome. This is known as the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. So every time you make a decision, every time you flip a coin or roll a die, you might be creating a new branch of the multiverse, a new timeline where a different version of you experiences a different outcome. It's a mind-bending concept, to be sure, but one that emerges naturally from the strange and wonderful laws of quantum mechanics. Section 7. String Theory's Symphony of Universes. String theory, another pillar of modern physics, offers its own unique perspective on the multiverse. Imagine tiny, vibrating strings far smaller than even atoms, constituting the very fabric of our universe. These strings, vibrating at different frequencies, give rise to all the particles and forces we see around us. But here's the catch for string theory to work mathematically. It demands more than just the 3 spatial dimensions we experience daily. It requires at least 10 dimensions, some curled up so small they're invisible to us, others potentially vast and unexplored. Now, imagine these extra dimensions as a cosmic symphony hall. Our universe, with its familiar 4 dimensions, is just one stage, one performance among countless others. Each stage represents a different universe, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. dictated by the way the strings vibrate in that particular dimension. The beauty of string theory is that it provides a framework for unifying all the fundamental forces of nature, including gravity, which has long been a thorn in the side of physicists. And in doing so, it opens up the possibility of a multiverse, a vast and intricate tapestry woven from the vibrations of infinitesimal strings. Section 8. Black holes, gateways to the unknown. Black holes, those enigmatic cosmic monsters, have always captured our imaginations. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. But what if black holes are more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners? What if they are portals, gateways to other universes? Some physicists believe that the singularity at the heart of a black hole, where matter is compressed to an infinitely small point, could be a bridge to another universe. Imagine falling into a black hole. As you approach the singularity, time and space become distorted beyond recognition. Instead of being crushed into oblivion, you might emerge into a new universe, a universe born from the ashes of the old. This idea is highly speculative, of course, but it's not entirely without merit. The mathematics of general relativity, Einstein's theory of gravity, allows for the existence of wormholes, theoretical tunnels that connect different points in spacetime. Some physicists believe that black holes could be the mouths of these wormholes, providing a shortcut through the fabric of spacetime. While we don't have any concrete evidence to support the idea of black holes as gateways to other universes, it remains a tantalizing possibility, a testament to the boundless mysteries that the cosmos still holds. Section 9. A tapestry of infinite threads. The concept of the multiverse, woven from the threads of quantum mechanics, string theory, and cosmology, paints a picture of a reality far grander and stranger than we ever imagined. It's a reality where our universe, vast as it is, becomes just one point of light in an infinite cosmic expanse. Imagine a tapestry woven from countless threads, each thread representing a different universe. Some threads might be brightly colored, representing universes teeming with life and energy. Others might be dark and desolate, representing universes that are inhospitable or even lifeless. The tapestry of the multiverse is constantly being woven, with new threads emerging and old threads fading away. Every quantum event, every random fluctuation could create a new thread, a new universe branching off from the existing ones. The implications of the multiverse are as profound as they are mind-boggling. If there are indeed infinite versions of ourselves out there, each living out a different version of our lives, it challenges our very notions of identity and free will. Does our choice here in this particular universe really matter if there are countless other versions of ourselves, making different choices in other universes? Or are our lives and the choices we make predetermined by the infinite branching of the multiverse? These are questions that have no easy answers, questions that philosophers and theologians have grappled with for centuries. The multiverse, if it exists, forces us to confront the possibility that our lives are but one small story in an infinitely vast and complex narrative. The pursuit of understanding the multiverse is not just an academic exercise, it's a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit, our innate desire to explore the unknown and unravel the mysteries of our existence. The search for evidence of the multiverse is still in its early stages. Scientists are developing new technologies and telescopes, pushing the boundaries of our understanding, all in the hope of catching a glimpse of what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Whether or not we ever find definitive proof of the multiverse remains to be seen, but the very act of searching, of questioning the nature of reality and our place in it, is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our unyielding thirst for knowledge. The concept of the multiverse is a mind-bending journey into the realm of possibilities, a journey that challenges our perceptions of reality and forces us to confront the vast unknown. But it's a journey worth taking, for it reminds us of the boundless wonders of the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that lie hidden within its depths. What are your thoughts on the multiverse? Does the idea of infinite universes intrigue you or fill you with a sense of awe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we stand at the precipice of this cosmic frontier, on the verge of perhaps the greatest scientific revolution in human history, we are reminded of our own insignificance in the grand scheme of things. We are but tiny specks of consciousness in a universe teeming with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. And yet within each of us lies the capacity for boundless wonder, an insatiable curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown, to seek answers to the most profound questions about our existence. The multiverse, if it exists, is a testament to this cosmic dance between our insignificance and our infinite potential for discovery. It is a concept that fills us with a sense of awe and wonder, a reminder that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we could ever have imagined. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, we may one day unlock the secrets of the multiverse and uncover the true nature of reality itself.